Hi guys! In today's video, we are going to explore the new feature of Salesforce, the Dynamic Forms. Salesforce has again leveraged their Lightning app builder that will enable system administrator to set an individual fields to be required and at the same time restructure them on the spot. Because before, you will have to reconfigure the page layout to achieve this. As for setting up an individual fields to be required on a certain criteria, this can be achieved via validation rule. But now we will be able to achieve all of this in just few clicks. So I have here a sample custom object, which is an appointment object, and we have a facilitator field. And our goal here is to set a criteria that will set this field to mandatory if the confirm appointment checkbox is checked, and we will be achieving this via dynamic forms. As you can see, I'm viewing an appointment record, so all you need to do is to click on setup, click on edit page, So if this is your first time to use the dynamic forms, you will be prompted to a system message. It will ask you to upgrade to dynamic forms. So you just have to click on upgrade now, click on next, then you just have to choose the layout of the custom object that you're in and just hit finish. And you will be prompted to this page. Next thing is, you just have to select a field that you want to set as required. So in this case, I'm going to select the facilitator field. Now just select required, and you can just quickly set the filter criteria by clicking the add filter. So in here, I'm going to select the confirm appointment equal to true, then click on done. And you can also configure the position of the fields. Let's say you want to move the primary contact below the appointment date. You can just do that by dragging the primary contact and then drop it under the appointment date. Once you're done, just hit save. Now, let's go back to the record page. So I'm going to edit the confirm appointment and I'm going to set this to true. And boom, as you can see, the facilitator has shown up. Now let's let's try to save this first without the user. Okay, so it worked. So now let's put in the OITC content creator user and then let's save it. Okay, so as you can see, it worked. So through the dynamic forms, we are able to set the facilitator to required. And as mentioned earlier, you can now also configure the position of your fields without going to the page layout. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much for watching.